Welcome, people. Welcome back to the channel. This is your boy Rome. Thank you so much for joining me. I want to say thank you guys for your continued support. Still working on speedy recovery, but today we can talk a little bit about football, about Manchester United, but definitely about Whitmore. Let's not hold it back any further, people. Referee, blow the whistle. Let's go. So today I want to talk about a few things before we get to the final solution. You guys know that I've been talking about Theodore Whitmore for a while now, right? You guys know that I've been saying that Theodore Whitmore is useless. He's a plague to the Jamaica football team, and he needs to go. I've been screaming that since day one. But now people are getting the idea that he shouldn't be part of the team anymore, which is better late than never, but it's a little bit too late now for the World Cup qualifications, because it seems like it's gonna be gone. But who knows? There's still a chance that it could. Now, first let's talk about the team that he keeps picking over and over again. That's the reason why Tamba Whitmore will be fired right now. And that's the reason when a new coach comes in, that we'll get a different team with different personalities, with different mentalities, so we can at least have a successful venture in the rest of the world, in the rest of the games. Here's what. First of all, Haka, Javon Watson. Javon Watson don't make no sense. He don't have no use. Javon Watson is 37 years old. He has no friggin' use. The purpose for Javon Watson and this team was because of Theodore Whitmore and the security in the defense. However, he does not have security in the defense. That's the problem. Javon Watson cannot. Javon Watson has not been playing football for almost 2 years now, 3 years now, right? And the little time that he has been playing was just off the bench. Javon Watson came on the team late in the World Cup qualifiers, and he has joined the team, and ever since he's been a part of the team, playing game in, game out, and he has not shown a smidgen of why he deserves to be on the team. And I'm yet to see Javon Watson win a tackle. I'm yet to see Javon Watson run someone down and take it from him. I'm yet to see Javon Watson make a proper pass. Yet he's still on the team, still playing game in, game out. Why? Is it because the Tapa steps on? It has to be. It has to be a fact. Something is happening in this team why we don't know why Tapa continually playing this man. Is he getting some whispers behind the ear? What's going on? But he continues to play that guy. Next one is Damian Lowe. No, I don't know about you guys, but Damian Lowe continually seems to keep getting a lot of the pride of the team performances, and no one seems to want to call him out on the crap that he does on a daily basis, on a positional basis, as a defender, as a leader to the team. He has constantly got out of position over and over again. And because of his speed, he was able to catch back, make a tackle, or create a foul. Not clearly, positionally set himself for the ball. No, I'm not saying that he does this all the time. What I'm saying is he's doing this too much, right? No, he needs to be a part of the team where he's able to control the game, create the passes out of the defense, tackle, but he's not able to do that because of the mistakes that he constantly makes. So he has to be making those mistakes and then make it up for it afterwards. We're not getting that from Damian Lowe. No one seems to want to call him out on it. Well, I'm going to call him out on it. Damian Lowe, you're reckless with the ball. You're reckless with the ball. You are reckless with the ball. That's simple. Bobby Reid, You have not given us anything since that first goal of the season in World Cup. You get a clear goal yesterday, the other day, a clear goal. My grandmother could have scored at my grave, and you dash it away. There's nothing you can do or say to tell me other than I don't know, yo. I don't know. People so I need influx of players from overseas. The Jamaican heritage players from overseas. Mikel Antonio played 3 games, 2 goals. 3 games, 2 goals. One of them was a screamer, but that's not the point. What has Tapper done with the strikers that he had before? We need to get the team in a place where football is not just kicking over the defense line or over the midfield. And hope that Mikel Antonio can jump, nod it down, get it back, and knock it in. That's what he did for the goal. Why can't we make 1 or 2 shipping passes in the midfield? Why? Is it that the players are not good, or is it that the coaches are not good? Because I tend to think the players are good, but the coach is waste man. The coach are waste man. That's the reason why we can't do it. That's the reason why we're not doing it. Which brings me to this next point. People, the board of directors came, they voted 5-2 to fire Theodore Whitmore. Now the bar is on the JFF. I would say simple, really. Go out there, fire him, give the pink slip, and ask Paul Alfie to go over. At least for the rest of the season. He can now be able to take him spare time while he's working in England and plan a team that can work for Jamaica. And we can do that. We can definitely do that. But we need to get rid of Tapa right now. No, I don't know who. I don't care who he is. I don't care about his past. I don't care about his accolades as a football player. He's no longer a coach for him. He's not a coach. Whatever he has going on outside, whatever he has a big, job going on, he can have it. But right now, Tapa needs to go. Tapa needs to go, fam. That's simple. Tapa needs to go. Simple as that. Simple as that. Which brings me to my next point. Recover from the hospital, come home, watching the football. The football from Manchester United was bad. Manchester United has done the worst run ever since Mourinho days Mary. Why is that? Why is that? Is it the players or is it the coach? Definitely not the players. Definitely the coach. Coach needs to go, fam. What more you need to say? He needs to go. The PE teacher thing done now. There's nothing he can do to save his job right now, as far as I'm concerned. He needs to go. This man has 11 players playing. With giving 1 or 2 that he makes changes every 82 minutes. But 11 players playing every game. Why can't you play Sancho? Why can't you play Van de Beek? Why can't you play Lingard? Why can't you make changes at 60 minutes, 55 minutes, 70 minutes? Make changes so you can make effects in the game. Why? You have the players to make the changes. A year ago, 2 years ago, you didn't have those players. Fine. But now you have the players to make the changes in the game and you're not making them, Pam. Why? Manchester United played a game against Manchester City the other day and it was embarrassing, fam. It was embarrassing. Not even the Liverpool game was that bad because Manchester City played against them like they were 7-year-olds, fam. It was bad. So I'm sitting now waiting on my app to go out every day Every time I have to go off every day because I'm waiting on the announcement that he'll be fired and new manager will come in because I can't do it no more, fam. As Manchester United fans, as Jamaica fans, can't take it anymore, fam. Can't take it anymore. Can't take it anymore. Bless episode, people. This has been another episode. Boy, I can't take it anymore. But hey, that's what happened. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for sharing, liking. Uh, this has been another episode of the Fourth Official. Thank you, Manaz.